Will Harris. Welcome to Untitled Pastures in Bluffton, Georgia.
I am on my very first farm tour. We are here in Atlanta, or outside of Atlanta, White Oak Pastures. My first farm tour, so I'm gonna show you around the farm.
Today we pasture raise cows, hogs, sheep, goats, and rabbits. And we're hand butchering with a USDA inspected plant that we built. We pasture raise chickens, turkeys, geese, guineas, and ducks. We hand butcher them in a separate USDA facility. We raise pastured eggs, honey. We ended up operating the plants at zero waste. So we have a huge, in fact, largest composting operation in Georgia. The waste material from the plant, we don't call it a waste cycle, we call it a nutrient cycle. It goes back into the pasture after we compost it. Animal welfare was the first driver for me. I really got focused on the animals, not just keeping them fed and watered and in a temperature range, but also to provide them an environment that allows them to express instinctive behavior. That's what sets real good stockmanship apart from what I used to think was real good stockmanship.
This is our zero waste workshop. So in this building, we take in the meat industry what we would call byproducts and turn them into something really important for another intended consumer. So in what we do, or what the meat side of things, fat is considered a byproduct. It doesn't compost well, and so for us, in forming a product that used all of that we generated was really important. So